Measuring the resistance of bus bar welding points with extreme precision using the Hioki RM3545 resistance meter is extremely easy. Watch this video to learn how the RM3545 compensates for the effects of electromagnetic force and temperature to deliver the precise resistance values. When testing very low resistance such as welding points on bus bars, electromotive force or EMF can lead to unstable measurement results. The RM3545 is built in with a function that can compensate for the effects of EMF. EMF is the voltage that is generated when different metals come in contact with each other, such as test leads and parts under test. The larger the EMF, the larger the effect on the measured resistance value. The larger the temperature difference between the two metals, the larger the EMF. The RM3545 resistance meter applies measurement current to both the plus and minus sides, and with the detected voltage, removes the effects of EMF. When not using the offset voltage compensation function, the measurement value can become unstable due to the effects of EMF. By using the OVC function, you can obtain stable measurements by not succumbing to the effects of EMF. Let's configure for temperature compensation. Move the cursor to the TC set field and switch the function on. Set the reference temperature to 20 degrees and the temperature coefficient to 4200 ppm per degree Celsius for aluminum. Now let's configure the OVC function. Move the cursor to OVC and switch the function to on. Touch the probe to the welding point simulating a bus bar and measure the resistance. With the RM3545, you can also make settings to hold the displayed value for each measurement. Move the cursor to auto hold and switch the function to on. The length of each welding point on a bus bar varies from one to the other. As you can see, the resistance value of the welding points increases as the length decreases. Using the auto hold function to temporarily freeze the display will enable you to move to the next welding point with both hands and capture the measurement results quickly and easily. As you can see, measuring the resistance of bus bar welding points using the Hioki RM3545 resistance meter is extremely easy. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.